install Eset Antivirus system. What you want to do is go to Google Chrome, maximize this, Eset Nod 32 Antivirus. Then you have to go to download Nod 32 Antivirus. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is for home Windows not 32 antivirus. Then you have to legendary antivirus for Windows. What you want to do next is click on free download for Windows, and yeah, so 5.2 MB file will be downloading. Alright, you have to wait until the download is completed. I will give the links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for new videos. And okay, it's done. Showing folder. Alright, so it's over here. Let's open it. Yes, it's a live installer. Yes. Okay, let's go. The next thing what you want to do is let Eset run. Let Eset run. You have to select the language, what you speak or what you want to use. I'm gonna go with English. Continue. It's gonna download this. Then after that, you have to, if you want to read, but usually we don't. So just click on I accept. It's gonna start downloading. As you can see, it's 34%. Let it download 100%. Then I'm gonna show you some more steps. Okay. It's 62% downloaded. Please go faster. Yeah, 81. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, so what you want to do next is click on skip activation. Alright, then what you want to do is continue. Nah, just continue. Okay, so now what you want to do next is this power and numbers, get the maximum level protection. Feedback system recommended. Okay, so enable. Nah. Well, disable. I'm gonna do that. You do what you want to. It depends on you. what you want your PC, your ESET security to do depends on you. Yeah, so no, I don't want to participate in the program. So what you want to do next is click on done, and you are good to go. It's gonna start on PC automatically. All right. Do is click on free trial. Yes, let's go. This will be verifying. This may take a few moments. Yeah. So what you want to do next is you have to give in an email address. So I'm gonna give .com amathamid055@gmail.com. Same goes here. Yeah. Then what you're gonna do is I would like select your country wherever you live. I live in Pakistan. Then I'm going to select mine. Activate this. Then you have to will be activated. Click on activate again. It's activated now. Don't have to do anything. It's just gonna update your product. This might not take longer. Yeah, this won't take long.